Are you struggling with how to display each label of your Chart.js pie charts legend on a new line? You're not alone. This is a common question among developers, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want your chart to look just right, but the default settings don't meet your needs. Many developers face this issue when customizing their charts. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I place the Legends labels on the top left position with each label on a new line? If you've been wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. To understand this better, let's look at how Chart.js handles legends. By default, the legend displays horizontally, but with a little customization, we can achieve the layout you want. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your charts even more visually appealing. To start addressing the user's question, we need to modify the legend configuration in the Chart.js setup. The user should set the legend's position to top and customize the labels to display each on a new line. Next, the user can achieve the desired label formatting by using the Generate Labels function. This function allows us to customize how the labels are displayed in the legend. Now the user should implement a custom label function. This function will return an array of labels, ensuring each label is formatted to appear on a new line. Finally, the user needs to assign this custom label function to the legend configuration. This will ensure that the labels are displayed correctly in the chart's legend. Fun fact. Did you know that the first pie charts were created in the 1800s? They were used to represent statistical data visually, just like we do today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests a simple hack to achieve the desired legend format. They recommend appending a long string of spaces to each label. This will force the labels to display one per line. They also mention using the Align option set to Start for better alignment. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the Chart.js documentation for updates. They frequently add new features that can simplify your work. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your pie chart's legend should now display each label on a new line in the top left position. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.